Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Wait there. I don't get up this morning. One of you, she don't wake up. She don't wake up this morning. I just have my bed. Now say me I can't do small video like 8 o'clock. Why? Because today I have appointments. After I can't go work. The more I invite these people, when I invite people, this thing's very important. I want to talk about Iyore and Iyeboyi. Yeah, I want to talk about Iyore and Iyeboyi. More I invite people for me, please. More I invite people. Let me bring my phone. It's very important. Let me bring my phone. So. Oh yeah, wait there. Today it go take good though, because I don't go back now. Have you guys seen my first? Nothing. And because good morning, my beautiful, good morning. Please, Mona, share this video. Mona, let this video go viral. I want to talk about Iyore and Mama Boy. Now I want to talk about very well. Amemi manola jansis na no bua your way. Enema onama. Emaniwe latia iya deba obokba, which is very bad because of interest. Ni amene or one call. So for me, me ya we time me interest. Koma ni medwa te. Medwa deba pa. Mama share this video back. Me I want to share. Wanna share this video, share. Oh, one person don't share. Share. Why? Because I don't have too much staying. Why? Because I'll quick come out. Because today I won't carry my car. I want use taxi to go where they go from there. I'll still use taxi go work. So please, I beg go like invite people. Juliet, share this video. If you know you are my own, share this video. This video is not for saga. This video is not for quarrel. This video is for army boy. As we they talk on that time. No say some people video, I know they quit the talk put. But this one, me Iyenuko come on one of UK. I will talk put. Have share. I know say that you share my song. God bless you. Happy Christmas in advance. Happy Sunday, my beautiful people. You know, I don't want just play music because I will arrange my bag. Me, I see show you what I buy for my baby yesterday. I buy this one. I know say rain before. Iyenuko come on now. We are our mama na our grandma con grandma con. Because mama say rain before. So if she dey go school, she go dey use this boot till they go during this rain. Have you guys seen? If I? Yes. So I got to buy Shabba jacket. Shabba jacket too. I still buy Shabba jacket. So this is my baby jacket. Have you guys seen it? Oh, even no gear. Oh, no man come here. Ni ari Canada ni ya mwe. Ari pe ane gwa no gwa walla. Oya. Ya ko vie bruto even nai. Oton. Obviously we. Our grandma philo. Simply share this video. Share. No, never share. Juliet, you never share. You have to share this video. Juliet, share this video. I'm going to mention your name. Juliet, you say God bless you so much, mommy. God bless you too. Juliet, share this video. You never share. Who I know for here, I'm going to mention your name when I share my video. Why? Because who I don't know, I cannot feel mention your name to share my video. Okay, if I know you are watching me here, I'm going to mention your name. Okay, no verse I mention your name. It's for good. Okay, Juliet, share this video. I let Iyenuko come on. Be happy. Share this video. I let Iyenuko come on. Be happy this morning. If you love me, I don't mention your name. If you still love me, you can even share the video. Okay. So we want to talk about Mama Boy and Iyore. I want to talk about Mama Boy. I hope you guys see my hair. The hair is fine. Yes, I like it. Because me, I don't like something will make me, you know. That's why I just do this dreads. Even when I'm still working that stupid work in Italy that time. And they do pancake. No. And they make pancake. And they make up. I don't like it right from time. I like something natural. That is a weird donate gilly. You understand now? Because the rubbish is where before understand. Okay? Please share the video. May we start the talk. Share. Wow, my show in a below boy on it. Or gawa. Ya pon wa na I want to know more yen ko komo no yen ko komo one of you ke no ga. So I want to talk about Mama Boy and Jory. Why? Because it's when these days they take a place. Nobody talk put. Nobody talk put. Yes, nobody. Me as Ijomo, I want to talk put. Not because I take come. Not because I take come. Now advice, not take come. Advice, not take come. Nobody will go do something where you not go fit talk to, or where you not go fit talk put. Except person will don't die. Or no wounded. Precious, share this video. Precious, share this video. Share this video, share this video, share this video. Me wanna let people see them. Okay? I just they come from bedroom now. I just go shower. So this video will not take me like 30 minutes or 45 minutes. So I'm gonna quick share so that maybe we could analyze them. Okay? Okay, my beautiful. I'm gonna share them. I'm never share on the people where the one when I first share, I do. I'm gonna share 13 people, 33, 34 people. They look me so. So I'm gonna share. Ask 35. I'm gonna share. Please share. Share bite. La. You know, say Jamie say bite. Italy say die. I beg. Okay, please. Share this video. I don't come 14 people. Please share. If you share now, I'll start the talk. I don't want to put music. This one not be music, madam. This one is but it's very important. 39 people is looking me now. You have to share. Odigia, share this video, please. Share. Odigia, my love. Share this video. Share it. Share. Odigia, as you enter and share. As far as I mention your name, share. Share. So, if you don't share 20 people now, start the talk, please. Una never share. Odigia, what are you doing here? Share the video. Share. Perforsa. When you be Italy, perforsa. Share video, share. Wanna me banner, even why because if you were no tell on women attack on a sunny, no tell on women attack. Say, please keep sharing. Yeah, thank you. He said, please keep sharing. My son said, please keep sharing. Please, happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, my beautiful. Happy Sunday. Please share this video, my beautiful. Share this video. My beautiful Becky Moore, I see you here. Share this video for me. I want to talk about Jory and the EA boy. Una never share. Una de fear. Mona share this video now. I even show na my granddaughter property. Mona share. Get nation. Ooh, they wait them. We are not laughing. We are not mocking. We are not cursing here. Because when we je, iri awata. Zebe igwe ninanwa. Zebe otedo nana bieme. Devo nana bieme yeme o. O ebo devo nana bieme yeme. O ebo devo nana bieme yeme o. O ebo o azuakai. Please share this video. If you are not hearing Benin, I will still just the miss and small like this. they speak Benin joiner, okay? If you are not hearing Benin, not verse. This thing is for Benin people. I know, say, you guys, when they watch us, we are the same. If I speak this one with English, my people later get to 200. Please share this video. Share 16 people, more than share, please. Share. As you share, and so God will bless them. More we share. Maybe share this thing when I want to talk so. And this video when I want to talk so. I know say this video will go viral. It will go viral. Where? Go viral. You know why I never talk now? If not quick share now, I will start the talk on your yesterday so that if person they enter inside the video, they see what I'm talking. Not be say I will they pull music, I will they do this. Like, share and like, please. Share and like, please. Share the video. Share the video, please. Share and like. Okay? Share and like. I want to talk about, you know, since I know right as a message to Iyore and Yebo, you know, me I know the message. I want to talk to them. I know say yeah boy, maybe she go senior me. I never know his age. If he go senior me or he go use how many years, like yeah, we know many they senior me. Ijora a senior a senior, not be saying many years like that, sha. So please, wanna share this video. Share. I know what it make some people not talk good since now. Me here no come I know, but I can't say. Now my I know. So me ageta. We gagata no ganya na boka. Ugetio. Ugemeriti vedo. Ugeti. Oti vedo. Oti pardon. Ugetio. Rio veti viko. Yati ye wa wiye ma. Owe ni yo to ga yigbina ge to ga juwa. Tojo 16 people. It remain 4. So as you share and I will start the talk. It remain only 4. Only. Mona share the video. Share. Naege. Share this video. Share. Wama share at all. Wa share o wa ge share we do po nu me o pe share oya mo na share iye nu kokon video wa ma e na gba ma wa gba. I want to talk about Iyore and Mama Boy ipare oye inogu ni ya pe ofi. Now I want to talk now I want put my this in my put small experience ni ebe mi e wa gbon. Igawe mi ni emi e wa gbon. Iye me isi egbe. Igawe mi ni emi e wa ma share. Iye me isi egbe. Igawe mi ni emi e wa gbon. Iye me isi egbe. Emi marwa o. Awa o. Igawe mi ni emi e wa gbon. Iye me isi egbe. Igawe mi ni emi e. Iye me isi egbe. Igawe mi ni emi e wa gbon. Emi marwa o. Awa o. Share this video, please. Share now. Only me I get appointment. Only me I want to go walk. Today I'll start by 12. I'll finish 11 in the midnight. Tomorrow, when I don't see me in the morning, early morning, when I don't see me. So that's why I want to quickly do this video. When I never share, only 16 people. If I never share, near where me I forget. Because people where they watch me now, almost 52 now. So I near where only 16 people be me and who where you say your name. What have I done now? Wala no watch video na wala. Upa mokpa no dera tije ga gbon yiwe gbege oku o. Osunu gyoge we Iyore. Umagun ete you no apon. Mokpa no dera tije. Agbon yiwe gbege oku o. Osunu gyoge Iyore. Umage ete you no apon. Agbon ire gori oku ne. Ekona la ni waso. Ya iwa yo ki aweso wa. Egbe na we ya. No ma fi pa wi yen fi o. No ma fi pi wi yen fi o. Agbon ire lojo pore ne. Ekona la ni ya. Bomo pa lo ko bi e. Ori oku onore. Ora yo mare. Agbogele we pepe. Please share this video. I want to check if you don't reach that 20, I'll start the talk while I will. He may give in here. Well, 16 share. If not, you get one. Why really am monojina? Why really am guanina? And zagwan kana. And zin. Why really am guanina? Lubirie, Omo Bobe Lubirie, Omo Ababe Lubirie, Omo Ababe Lubirie, Omo Ababe Lubirie, Omo Babe Lubirie, Omo Babe Lubirie, we Lubirie ko. Omo Babe Lubirie. Omo Babe Lubirie. Wameshe. Abi me I change the topic. Or dig me I change and right and they not share. Yeah, ma share at all. Ni change the topic. Oh man. Eri fe kota go me. Ogi yo we li vai. Iye le o. O we la gwa ibegbe. Say Mama Boy is okay. Mama Boy is 54. He's senior me. He's senior me with 7 years. Oh, Iyore is 43. I senior Iyore for 5 years. Because next month now they complete. Next 2 months now they complete 48. Yeah. Please share this video. Adige. Share. Thank you for your opinion, for your. And I know they see na thumbs up. Now they look me. Now they look me and put thumbs up for me. Even though I might have a share, I will put thumbs up. If 1 year we might so might be hearing or it might so be ring winner. Okay. And share this video, please. If you come, it remain only 3 people to share to just finish it now. Only 3 people, I beg. 3. Only dry. Jenny said dry. Italian said 3. Abino, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3. Italian said 3. Yeah. Please share this video for me. Bite. Share this video. 60 people they watch now. If you are young, enter this video, share for me, baby. Share for me. As you share for me. Qu'est-ce que je fais? Share this video. I beg. Wa share wagi masona gwan. Wagi ma gwan. Okay, only one person. It only one person. Come here, tell me, okay.
Afe manu fiame imunu to abala idomo wa to pe iyari mi aya ikwedu wa to pe no wan iyari ya gbo po me iyari ya po me o gba me agboni gbegbe mo ibi no bobo ya ko wa de so yi alebuye
wa share it only one person okori opa
Amagele mi,
Baba, you want to yo. Who give me star now? Thank you for the star, my love. Ebony. Oh, mommy, away. Wagi ameke pe jono na ya wa pe kere Rita, share this video. Rita, share it for me, please.
Again,
Hey, mortal. Share the video now. Then you guys. Only on power color now. Then you pay video. Then you pay.
Well, you know what I know.
Share this video.
Introducing the new Vector 6 with Magic Eraser. Tap. Ta-da! It's perfect. Just like the memories. And how you will remember them.
In my appointment this morning, I want to go and do coronavirus test. You know, if you don't do it, you can't travel. So, I have to go and do it. After that place, I'll go walk. So, as you guys not share my video, I won't talk. Okay, well, I can't even go on my If you don't read that 40 minutes are important. I love you, Mama. Share the video. Share like the only one person the find. Sister, 1 minute. Sister, Start the talk now.
I wish I was my girl. It is where
Oh yeah, don't stop. I want to start the talk. Okay, oh, now good morning, because I don't have time. Good morning. Because what do get again, I don't think it's bad. Time, you know, hey. Emi mama bete mataga jo mama bete we no nyo ebese ijo. My beautiful people, avec me no ga, avec beme, avec lipokun, avec viedo, avec vie Nigeria. Okwe the coronavirus ogbele here. Eri seke ni maje ni Jesu Christ no. So, if you don't see anything out of one year, iye boy, where ijore, nika yogo owo pa sunwe. Owo ni ki ya sunwe ni. Welcome. Owo ni ki ya sunwe ni. Oyo wo kin ra ni. No dear. Nika wa yogo sunwe. Understand me now? Era me. My father, he married 6 wives. 6 wives. 6 wives. I want to talk about the first wife. The first wife. That first wife. You see, my alarm don't cry now because I want to come go by 11. So that my daddy wife, when I share this video, he can have 12 children. 12 children. That 12 children, I don't even see no one inside. I don't even see no kotoro inside. If she don't born her before my pa even marry my myself, come they marry. But women go come, they not go stay. Now only she, but now she be senior woman with my father. Or what dion. But or I'm married by any other baby like 2, they will come out. They will born like 1, they will come out. They will born like, but she go still there with my father. When we can't grow, we can't meet two chats with foreign. Or me out of 12, my do have a boy. 10 okay, ya wuloni. 10 okay, don't die. Ya wuloni. You evani ma we do wani. Okpa bielene wo, which is no honoro. No planoro my beer. Never born. You know what it make me they talk this thing now? Some people, the way that they kill their children for them. But they go put their face for the person high, saying that the person will get picking. Now they kill the picking. You understand me now? That is here the more akparo oni jao. Wetin happen to my father wives? Mami Tana wife. Now they talk so. Before I go come enter mama boy. We are the wa togo one who we togo. So this woman, the one will be boy, where they inside Okpianoro. Even our son, they Europe, they Italy. Don't grow. That one, he don't reach to marry. Now they can go one village where near our out there. They go find one woman for her. Na na joke no na. So my papa go meet down and papa say, I beg, my son want marry your daughter. So they can carry that lady, come from that village, come give my brother. So now this my brother with this woman can't give her belly. I be that boy where they tell when they talk so. The belly don't they come. I be like say the belly na about 6 months. So they can't gather go from my papa, in mama, in wife, my brother. They can't go from. Oh man, it be right. Oh my jugbo. Person when you know where no fit go from. They can't go far. So as they come from far, it remains moment they reach house. You get where one cherry tree there. Where I say, if you read there now, house not come far for there for that farm. So now the boy, in mama, the boy they front, the wife they center, in mama they back. That time, my papa get machine. My papa don't carry machine reach the house. So, they don't go to work. They go. And then they go and let the boy go back. The boy come day back. Now his wife won't wait on. The mama come tell her, say, may we go, not be small picking up. You with belly. May we go house. He go come. Maybe you want go peace. Now they can't go. They leave the boy. Then wait, they not come. As the mama reach house, the boy not come. Now carry bicycle. The mama not sabi ride bicycle. He come, they bring the bicycle on our warrior day. That is no ride down. So I go see one of our cousin. That one the ride bicycle come from farm. Ha. Now because you know for village that time, even though you be cousin. Now your husband, I go call her. My husband, you see my son for there. He said, mama, you see one person, he fall. But the boy no say na my brother, but he no want tell the woman say na my brother. He say, but he no know say na, he no know whether na him. Now mama come they see they run, they come. As he don't run reach there now, the boy don't die. And this my brother where they Italy so it's still the belly. Hey. That time my past is sick self. My papa is sick. Now we come from school. That time we did primary school. As we come now, they don't put the boy for my grandpapa house. Because my grandpa house very big. Near my papa house there. They can't put time for grand there. Everybody come they cry. What it make me they talk this thing now? The people what they say now the woman, now they kill the children. They not be the woman. Now person just they kill her for her. But the woman, she no know. Okay? So the one we can remain. That one a woman. Now let that one. No. That one not even do it bury yourself. You not do one. No. That one, after many years, that my senior sister, she can still die. The mama no can get anything. My papa wife, every man no be me kamu we na, no can get anything. What it make my papa can still get children or get issue because of he married his wife. So go buy born two. Mama born two. One woman born two. The other one born two, one can't die. He can't marry one equal woman. That one not born for her before he die. Okay? So, what it make me they talk this one? You cannot say person pikin die. Now the person kill him. Make on carry you go aonka. Which that person not relates with you. He don't know you. Even though na she even kill her. That one not concern me, you come one of you K. It no concern me. Now who get pikin? Now he go run say, this pikin when he die, so as he take die, he don't like him. Make it find solution. You understand? Even that native doctor where you say they give you Nigeria they talk so where you say they give you information. The native doctor, sir, now you keep person as you talk, say the woman not give you money where you take do something for her. You consider make it consider give you money again. Now waiting the jury talk for mato. Now the answer so. You understand now? Even though you say Mama Boy call you Orionba, not be only Mama Boy call you Orionba. Even this Orionba and 18, they bring out for social media when they even they call say they measure on a name put. Everybody now call you Orionba. Even though say you get Mama Boy approval, you not get approval. You now you know if you carry and go anywhere. Why? Because not be you get pikin. The pikin not be your family. Except you go meet the boy, the papa family say, Mona can't help me drag Mama Boy. They go can't help you. But you Iyore, you cannot fit drag her. Because you just they talk her and they look you. And they look you where they talk her. When they make me they talk this thing, when my brother die, they come confess for my family. As they confess, now they come confess that my daddy wife. They don't confess and 3 times. So you go say she not there, You go swear auto. I know what it be auto now. You go swear her. So the third one. Now she can't the person will confess there. That one can say she not the enter house. She they stay outside. Before they go carry pikin come, she no go know. Before they go carry pikin come, she no go know. Be like how they do security for outside. As the person they talk. You understand now? So now make me know the thought say some people there like go your bubua for where they do what they do. Kovu. Me, I don't know. I never go Kovu before. I don't know Kovu. So me, I don't even believe whether which day self. I didn't believe that one. Whether which day or in no day. What me believe? Oh, well, no. What me believe where our we are born, everybody's going. Okay? You understand me now? So you cannot feel say you they use that in the laugh, huh? Make people can say na true. Na if even kill the pikin, na my own key, all on my be. I'm waiting to argue away. Ogbori ewa o. No. May God have mercy. Oh, yeah. I cannot even laugh at. Even though he kill nobody will know they die. Even the Queen Elizabeth, Queen Elizabeth where did this UK. His senior that are not die. He not die for accidents. His senior that way was supposed to be a queen. He died and I've not hear her. Where the lady died. Or you go come out and say, na queen na killer use and enter a post. Oh, good morning. Please, wanna share this video for me, please. I don't have too much after. So now 9:30 I will stop this video. We have like 15 minutes now. Please, wanna share this video. So people cannot come and say, Queen, now you kill your daughter. Nobody will not go die. So if anybody they do something in Facebook, they do it well. They do it well. So Mama Boy, I just come from here, come tell you say, don't think anything. Don't think anything. Nobody will know they die. Pikin they die for person belly. I don't see person where Pikin die for belly. I don't see her. As he born and the Pikin don't already die for inside belly. I don't see her. So how much more say that boy don't grow, he can't die. If to say born for maybe don't quick and born now. Maybe Mama Boy you know even think he go say Pikin dey. My brother will die now 3 children I get. 3 children. The senior one don't dey 19 years. Now he called me last week. As he just called me, I know say na money for Christmas that they need. He said, Mommy, now say, how are you, my dear? He said, fine. How you dey? I say, why now they call me sister? He said, she not get phone. You not get phone 19 years. Now me here come on one of UK. I send her 100,000. Then be 3. I say, buy clothes, do this. He said she don't get account. Which name? He mentioned my papa name. He mentioned now my hair can't ring. I can say, oh, my brother not die. You understand? So you cannot say a person pikin die. You they use until they mock him. They use until they laugh him. They tell say na she kill his son. Me I not believe. Even though she kill his son, it not concern me. It not concern me. So people where they Facebook, people where they watch, not be everything where person talk. Now would they believe. Even though Obo give you voice of mama boy, you know even quarrel with Obo say, what it make you even keep person human be. Orion wemaji when I agbe because of my money Orion wemaji when I agbe. As fast as we can work on the win, that we boy marry go gain or ye boy area money area my way say the person where you not even create, you can't kill her. When my belly can no bo, even my partner native doctor, my partner the key person. My partner the key person before he die. If we bring persons come self, he go ask you question first. Instead of he go kill her, he go put her for sickness. That person go come beg you. The thing go finish. Not be say you say you go just kill her. You go just kill her. Orion we maji. When I be ohana du bebe mwe you no time jore we work be. Ha, uncle. When ana galerie video ni la dia. Ijore you must bring that man come out now. When me to we are you gba ni la dia. You bring her. We are though we not even allowed that man even talk say he could make go free. No. Not because of social media, because of small money when they see, because of you. What you are not supposed to talk, now go to talk. You already one when you first talk for a palace, where they call you, you not go. Nah, because they bring another thing they come. Say, nah, mama boy kill piki, may carry you go a palace. The palace when one carry you go, not be there that they call you 63 years. You not go now. We see everything. Now people when even they join you, they talk, say, Mona leave Ijore, if you want to go by yourself. Mona no say, wala imi okoko, wa ti ororo. Iviedo, wala mi okoko. Ororo. I know the quarrel with Ijoro. Waiting we do that, I don't do it. Waiting make me talk to her. She talk to my daughter, now talk to her. As she talk to my daughter, now talk to her. I don't get anything with her. Me, I don't even go Ijoro and say, give me money, I want to buy something. Or give me food, I dey hungry. No, to fear. Only phone never or phone. Okay? So, people when they tell you say go palace, go and do what you're supposed to do. Why? Because it's too big for our eye. Now make us they say, oh, go. That time, if to say people when they tell you say you go, you follow them. Maybe that thing, if you're not even rich like that. If you're not even rich like that. It's only less a while I do my bad. They can't run leave you. No, you they talk to everybody. Now this boy, mama boy, now you want to recourse the cost where they cost? No. So what are we supposed to see for this live video now? The cost where they cost your enemy. You're the reverser. You're the reverser. Cause a bunny at here okbologbe. I never see him. You cannot say because mama boy go come carry you go palace. Now she won't carry you. Don't buy no big boy, no not to la vieze. You can't say what that do where you do. Here Area making a backbone. Eh? Please, Iyore. You know, say you talk one thing for Monica on say, your husband know you. If you don't the verse, now wait till you're not supposed to talk, now you they talk. Even say you say you see her for dream. Iyore, we don't hear we don't know everything in this Facebook. People where our view, if they talk, they believe you small. Now people like us will not they do saga. Like us will not they do saga. So anything when I talk now, the future believe some insights. Say, this woman, she know they do saga, she know they cause children, she know they lie for Facebook. Not to now when they lie after and I don't lie finish. Now God they say, hey, now because of this one I do one. I not be fake, I know they do fake life. Okay, now me when not they do saga, like when they do fake life. Now me you look come when not they do saga, like when they do fake life. Because people don't know now. Yeah, everybody don't know now. Except maybe people, small children where you new enter live video. Where you just open live video today. Where you can see everything. Go say, hey, now so it happen. Hey, this thing when they talk. So when Monica and Lolo enter that time, now they believe if they talk. When they on you, hey, if you see what Monica talk today, hey, that's in a true do a wait nowadays. You egbo magbawane. Wa egbo ima wa gbawase ipeto no waruwa to awaka ima mudiaka. So no need no wa do ya talk normal keke no wa ta the Facebook ima do a believe. No. Kene no bo no the video biwe. Ijore mama carry amwebo gbawobo. You know the cause of all that time. Say they be fake obo, they be fake obo, they be fake obo no redo, they be fake obo. You know she say na those people. Yeah, trust obo na obo. Obi abo megin. Obi abo yugbo ori mami egbo na te. Obi abo yugbo. Eh rejo. Obi abo yugbo ori mami egbo na te o. Obi abo yugbo. Obi aboyugbo ri ma mi gbon de. Obi aboyugbo. Ma para native doctor. Eri me se fo kwesi mi wewe. Ime egbegwe me tete ri me ra gbon se mi awe no do vie my so Facebook na. They are so many make you treat them. Not treating you. You understand? Now so okay, when they do live video, make people they wash them. Wait till they talk come out for mouth. Now, if they want even go amoka, Yore. If you say una want go amoka, you know what amoka means? Some amoka they go put Morocco this thing. Ikbe Morocco. Iya imunwe umwa legawe. You never see churchy. You never see churchy. If you see churchy, you go on. Me I don't see person for our place. They carry they go amoka. Iyana wa likbe Morocco, which is Morocco, what they call Morocco self, Igbo. They come grind down, they put up water, they give the drink. Well, I'm me agbona mi otona alegawe, emi ya yo afewe, paka poko, ijore. Me I don't see something. This thing where it for happen, a word way, or not soon. That woman, old woman, I do a big, I do a beer Morocco kwa, ikbe Morocco, on a beer. So, mama when owo kan wa konga. So far no mi akwaru no ke akwai. Una ari edo if you want go Benin, you can go. Edo ni ora gbon ya no. Na everybody get am. Una le church uye Bible kunisa. You can go and clean your mess. Instead of your social media. You don't tell when they eat money now. You never tell where they eat this money for live video. But we know the quarter put. We know the buffer wejo. But you they eat as sweet see they call now people where they call you want still eat. You let us still eat. Cause this Facebook in a thing, people where they wash us. Now they get that as where they take they wash us. No buna go tell they say, see una one wash, see una no go wash. And you want to talk one thing yesterday when I see here for your video. You said those people where they camp, where their hair not correct, like they wash you. And me, I don't blame you. Now those people where they wash you, or those our people where you say they camp where they wash. If they don't wash you, you go see your view. No. Because if person they talk, you they mind and so they talk. Even mama boy kill pikio, he no kill pikio. We may go sa women no yani. Be. Or we to go with bogo myself. Or me no money have to ya boy ya no. We go ask and say, this suppose say na you kill my pikin. But you no kill my own. You no kill your own. Mona let that woman be. Wagiji iye boy be. Cause if iye boy you mana, one ya we no survive. Uvuni bege ogwa. Uvuni ari ejo e wa ma bege. One ya mo vuni we no survive. A pipe hari ye ba. A pipe. Don't be say she tell me they see how she they talk. Now I make that woman sometimes they put beads there, but people don't know. They say just they put beads, just they put beads. And they see her. If you never see her, if mama boy they talk, you get one wait there, we don't heal. No, now check her. Now pipe, now they put for them. And that woman know they find trouble. That woman, that mama boy, you know they shout for person, you know they say, oh, quarrel now, you know they say, we go die today, oh. But because of that woman, is very loyal, they do, you know, now I just sit down on top. Wawa total nyang. It's not good. Mona leave that woman, Mona let her be. Mona let her be. Mona let mama boy be. Wagije boy be. Ta la Facebook te, eye boy na lao. Agbon ya lao, eye man na lao. We look sales na tell they do for Facebook. We not like her. Now everybody going to enter one by one. Cause waiting at they talk sometimes, you know they make sense. Me when I even enter page now because of a doctor yi, now they enter. Not be saying that she tell me. I see say as they mock her. They pay me. Now my village person. That make me enter. Now Facebook I did before. Facebook. Now they. So yeah boy, I not come here come cry for you. I not come here come tell you say me you dey cry. Okay? Uma work with me. Now we jore yourself. Emi ni jore jo boy wu. Na ni ana tie bone. Or even dig bass or we na. Where or more wu. Or my wu. Or my wu. Person not they die. Me where they talk so I not get mama. I not get papa. I not get brother. Or my wu. Person not they die. Or my what? Na then I be seeing now. No, how many people don't die. The person die. Now die now. Let me tell you, boy, person die, you don't die. They'll say bye-bye, they'll give you flower. Bye-bye. Finito. So they cannot come, rock butter, they talk and say, now you kill my brother. Now you kill this one. Yeah, go see person where you get accidents for last 3 months. They put a picture there. That's not the die. He got one boy here, now our school boy, now your bad boy. He with mates that they quarrel, that they fight. Now they give her a knife for belly. The boy died. Go see flower for them. Small boy like 14 years, I'll be 15, no, 17 years old boy. Okay, go see him for them. That one now, I go say na person killer. Boy don't die, don't die. Boy don't even, maybe they don't already born boy again now. Why? Because the mama said they talk and say don't take with that. Because you know what he agbon. Oh, we are agbon, why zobo? Was he jobo? When they call you Ogyomba, not be ole mama boy. Not be ole mama boy call you Ogyomba. When you say they curse you. Not be ole she. Now call you Ogyomba. Everybody is this earth. Now call you Ogyomba. I say social media president. Nou weli tie baba tie Ogyomba denana. Iya ya tie Ogyomba. Agmo ya tie. Me ma veri egbi me yin. So you cannot cry put now say you can't they cost the person when he dey Canada. May not they talk for my video. You get video. where my video. I be now you be the what they call her Dama we get social media. Now you no. So everybody can carry my video. When this man Victor come they analyze my video one day. We come put my breast. He come put her for ground. Even my daughter see that breast. He say, "Mommy, now that your breast you just put for ground." I say, "Eh, no be view at the fine." I know that. Even with that one video where they my video where they platform, my picture. I see her yesterday. Person share am. We go say, na yen ko komo, Philo. You don't mention my name. Philo wait there, UK na ibiyan. Iye te wa we akadi menu. So my beautiful sister, I don't get any issue for you. Leave mama boy alone. Do your business. Any video we can carry it. If you don't want person to carry your video, do it and lock it inside your cupboard or lock it inside your this thing. Okay? Why? Because one they say share. Una want make the video viral now. Okay, people will go see something where that man talk say itoto me prapata. You say me we just they laugh put as you they laugh put. Me I cannot laugh for that nonsense. That nonsense where that woman where that man talk for. That man with the Canada. I cannot laugh for that nonsense. That one a nonsense. Nonsense. Or you are going to describe man penis. A penis me fien. Me, I cannot laugh for that nonsense. That is nonsense. Me gia yek beberio. He me was serious yek beberio. So you cannot come live video to disgrace our men. Owe ke nuna disgrace okpa, e ke nuna go okpa go, e wana go ikpe ayagon. E ke nuna disgrace iku, e okpa, e wana go ho yagon. If you don't have content to do, you can put music, you can dance. You see, you have many videos. Me one of you. I can't carry all your video. You get the video where you go do, where you go war. I go carry and I'll say, me my people see you. See where this nonsense people where their head. Where they don't, their head don't come out. Now make me they analyze them again, say, not be so, not so. You understand? So please, people where they view now, where they view us, they don't they tire small. They don't they tire. Cause not be every day person go come. You big you lazana, you work big you very shavio. I'm your one shavio. Shavio bobe ya. Shavio bizavi camarade. Shavio bizavi fois. Or bizav. Oh, it don't pass. I be one right waiting my beautiful mommy talk. Shavi oh bobe ya. Oh wa me shavi, oh wa mo po akpo. Oh wa me cancer. Oh wa me bati edige asthma. Oh ma kan me ni yen ko come one of you ke. Advice one they give those people when you get them. Please make they take medicine. They go hospital because some people don't like to they eat medicine. They take medicine. Not you they talk so that another person when you get down, you go they cry for inside house. That will not be therapy. You guys know they give people where get sickness. Now they give them therapy. Now they give them therapy. Now only to just die, make it get away there now on a day. Now on a day. I better go. Let me go talk because my time don't go now. So may I leave now for here. God will bless you. As now share this video, as now listen to me this morning, as now still give me star, God will bless you now. Because I don't already talk my own. Me with Jore will not get issue. As that boy talk, he say, Jore, when are you going to Nigeria? When are you going to Edo State? Now we still there. when you go Edo come back. Many you go come one of you ke. I go even follow you Borue. Wagume go. You understand me now? So Mona follow me. I trust our Edo people. If you come from Nigeria, we see you say you don't come. They don't do everything. All that cost where they cost, they don't revise and back. What it concern us, concern you. When we come, they follow you, they quarrel. What it make us even they follow you, they quarrel. Say, when did it just new happen? You go Bini or send your family. Send your family. They go resolve the issue. But because they tell you something, you not go. No go. No go. When did it come? Be careful now. People they call you names now. Now you are crying. Don't cry, my dear. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. Because those people, when they tell you, say, you don't do it like this, who they write that one? He say, me, I get HIV. And you know me, everybody get HIV. Everybody. HIV is not a new thing. It's not a new thing. HIV, nah. They don't get the medicine. So if you know you get it, you can go to hospital, treat yourself. The medicine is free. So you cannot say, this one get HIV, it not go last. As me, I see one old woman, 89 years, Oibo, he get HIV. He dey treat am. He say don't take away the thing dey in body. He don't take away the thing dey in body. So me, I no get time for them. Even people wey get HIV, they born. They born. Iyan wa be ye bia wa treating am. They born. Me, I no even dey pity for. Me, I no even dey cry for people wey dey for Europe. People wey dey Benin, Nigeria now even they pity for cause as soon as they talk and they feel go kill themselves, they feel go eat medicine, they feel go no, please. More I don't say because of ye boy now they talk and now everybody now they way get and now they even they mock. Now they mock. Okay? Me I not believe that one. They wash mama boy video. Oh, okay, you they wash mama boy. Oh, thank you, my brother. Mona they wash her. I like that year boy. She that is not they find trouble. No, they find trouble. They want just beat her for the good way she they do. Mama boy, I bet Mona help me give her advice here. May not they cry, say, Percy Totora. May not they cry, oh, please. Mona give that woman advice. Even person wey get HIV, you know if they look you know if they do badanti for Italy. Person wey get HIV, they want to carry her for badanti. Now know what it be badanti. Person where they take off old woman. You know as Italy be now. Italy noga. They don't even carry. Before they don't even carry mama boy enter house, they don't do all tests. Because they want make mama last. They don't want. Badanti. Even Italy said if they work for any work, they take you for direct, they must do you all tests before they will take you. So please, who get HIV, no one let them be. So that make them marry, make them born. Who get HIV, no one let them be. HIV is not what do they call it? Coronavirus is past HIV. You know how much I want to spend for coronavirus because I want to travel now. As I they go Italy now, I don't buy kits, £50. Nah. I want to go and do another test today, £30. If I reach Italy, I go still pay, do another one, €60. How much is that? How much is that? HIV medicine is free. It's free. Coronavirus problem with the pay money put. And I don't see take 2 vaccine. They even they write me now. Me I can't take the 3 again. Now say like as I said, una say make I can't do another this thing again. Me I not they take the 3. What I want to take them for. Una say make we take 2. After we take 2, we go finish. After we take 3 again now. No, I don't take. You say Mama boy not get HIV. No, we know they say she get HIV, she not get. Mama boy not get. But we know if you talk and say Mama boy not get HIV. Why? Because they don't narrate them all over the world. I know say now you talk Mama Susie. But we know say Mama boy not get HIV. Because if to say she get HIV, Igbo people they not go put her for us. Italian people where they when you if you come out, if you pass them like they'll do those like this. And the one can say person will get HIV may they do this thing. Okay. You understand? So Mama boy no get HIV. He no be killy picky. The boy when he killy picky say because he brings something come make it do for her. The thing I can't return that to her. The Oibo, where I mean, why very the Ninobo, and they go and now. You go come out for public say, Mugbe boy. How you go do that one? Obo we had do we ni see me one ya bon. Orion we maji when I tell war Orion ni ariwa. Orion we maji when I tell warrior ariwa. Ha, but we are better iwo. I bet mona share this video make go viral. Wa better iwo. Cause if you ever not say matter mami ponya jiko, no mi ponya jiko or that to re parego. Wa better iwo. Cause if you ever omomo gbe yo kira me de na jisiebo. Wa better iwo. It's time for work. Okay, now no problem. Go work, my brother. Come here, I go still go work now. So let us just play this music. Oh, there they go. I want to arrange my baby clothes. Hey! Oya, wanna give me quarter now. Oya, what yeah, back there. Why yeah? Wawa we simple a quarter why your head. That is a love. Wawa pele yo. Bọ́lẹ̀ wà bọ́lọ̀ lé Vivian Mudona. Wà á gbélé yọ́ mẹ́. Vivian, thank you. Wà á gbélé yọ́ mẹ́. Wà á gbélé yọ́ mẹ́. Iye rẹ̀. Wà á wá sí o. Vivian, I love that symbol when you dey give me. Vivian, I love it. I love it. Yo, I will say we love you now.